This is above Earth off the International Space Station live feed app called ISS Live, and what you're going about to see, there's something massive above us, which I already circled, and you're going to see right now. You see the horizon, of the Earth, the curvature right there where you see on the bottom, where after I circle right there on the bottom, and what I'm circling is that big old massive whatever it is on top of us. Okay. Now you can see it. That shouldn't be there, guys, at all. That should not be there. We've been lied to. Obviously, you can see right here in my video, we've been lied to. There's something around us or above us that's invisible. You see how it looks like a crystal ball? But they're invisible, and somehow they're bending light. You know what I mean? Or they just turn invisible, man. They're so high tech. They're billions of years ahead of us. And I brought it out to light with my technique. You see how it disappears? So they're there. They're there no matter what. They're there. You see how? Watch. You see how there's another part, like that shouldn't be happening right there. There shouldn't be like two suns. You know, they're bending light. See that sun? See, there's another sun over there. You see? Before that sun popped up, there's a reflection of the sun. How is that possible when the sun's behind the earth, right? And then the sun comes out right here, and then there's a reflect. No, bro, that's something else is going on, because look, that just proves the sun hasn't come out, and there's this big old bright light hitting the, ISS right here, what you see. Then it comes out of the corner over there. That does not make sense. Okay. You see? You don't see that light right where I was talking about right here in the corner. You see it over there on the horizon. And up ahead, you're going to see two of those. But look at that, guys. Like, what is that, bro? You know? Look at that. You see, and it says right here, this live video feed is from the International Space Station, has been temporarily interrupted due to either a change. Okay, this is legit, guys. I'm not lying. I get this stuff out the International Space Station. Okay, I just so happened to caught it on time before NASA flips it and puts some old footage or something. But I caught this and I brought it out to live with my technique. NASA has filters, you know, and they're blinding us by the true reality of what I'm trying to show you. And what my technique does, it bypasses their filters, and it brings out the true reality of what's above us and what this place really looks like. So look at that, that does not look right at all, man. See how I just mark right there? That's to let you know that's the curvature of Earth. I'm just trying to show y'all a little bit more detail and explain to y'all. And this is the real footage I have right there as well. But look, there's obviously something massive above us, which I've been trying to tell everyone. No one believes me, guys. You see right there, that's something massive. Look at that. Right there, you can see more detailed, you know. You know, that's not right, man. That's obviously something, you know, trapping us in or something. You see? But what really catches my attention is this part right here, man. Like you can see it more. You know, right there. Like this is what really catches my attention right there. Boom. That right there. Look at that. You see? Like what are they doing to us? You can see that little arm in the background right there. Look how it's gonna turn on. It's gonna turn to uh, like, look at that, guys. You know, I don't got words to describe this, man. You know, I'm a sidekick, but you know, this is very hard for me to find words to describe what these things are, man. You know, I could say one thing about the religion part, and then I could say one thing about the scientific part, but it really comes down to the religion part, man. All right, if you're not religious, you better start being religious, because this shit's about to hit the fucking fan, bro. You know, God's real. Everything in the Bible is really real. We've been deceived by Lucifer, and our government's been deceived. All right, it's the only way I could say it, man. Look at NASA is deceiving us, you know. Look at that, man. That's like, you know, it's amazing. So, guys, once again, get close to God. All right. All right, man. That's it for today.